Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be delving into a C++ solution to convert a string to an integer, often referred to as atoi. We'll go step by step through the code and explore how to handle different scenarios, including spaces, positive and negative signs, and overflow and underflow issues. Now before we get into the code, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. So first, let's go ahead and change this. Alright, so in this C++ solution, we are given a class named solution with a method called myAtoi, which efficiently converts a string s into an integer while handling spaces, positive and negative signs, and underflow or overflow conditions. So we start by declaring variables I and n, where I will be used as an index to iterate through the string, and n is the size of the string. We then use a while loop to skip any leading space characters in the string. Next, we declare two variables, positive and negative, to keep track of the positive and negative signs at the start of a string, respectively. Inside the loop, we check for positive and negative signs at the beginning of the string. If a positive sign exists, we increment the positive counter and move the index I forward. Similarly, if a negative sign exists, we increment the negative counter and move the index I forward. Now we enter another while loop to extract the numerical characters from the string and convert them into an integer. We repeatedly multiply the current result answer by 10 and add the integer value of the current character s of I minus 0. The expression s of I minus 0, or right here, converts the character of s of I into its corresponding integer value. This is a useful trick to convert characters 0 to 9 into integers 0 and 9. We continue this process until we encounter a non-numeric character or reach the end of the string. After extracting the integer value, we check whether the result should be positive or negative based on the negative counter. If a negative sign exists, we negate the result. Additionally, we handle the edge case where both positive and negative signs are present in the string, like plus minus 12. In this situation, we return 0 to avoid ambiguity in the result. To prevent overflow and underflow, we check if the answer value is greater than int max or less than int min, the limits of a 32-bit integer. If either condition is met, we set answer to int max or int min, respectively. And then finally, we return the integer value of ans, which is our answer. So now let's go ahead and run it. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below. Comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.